I need directions to Ritzville, Washington.
Getting directions to Ritzville.
There we go. We're doing it, guys.
Mom's going skydiving, not us.
We're going somewhere with planes.
That Mom's going on,
She's gonna drive
jumping
a
out of.
In like 2 hours, this will all be over one way or another. Hopefully not permanently over, but you know, the skydiving part of it. So, you think I'm gonna chicken out?
I refuse to answer.
Who thinks I can do it? Who thinks
No comment. I refuse to answer.
You nervous?
Very nervous, yes.
Is your eye twitching?
Not yet, but I'm sure it will be. So I kind of have a strategy. I call it my step-by-step strategy, like in my head. And I just keep thinking I only have to do one step at a time, right? So driving there, that's like step number one. I can do that. I'm doing that. We're okay. I can handle that. The next step is going to be actually getting out of the car and walking over and introducing myself to these people because then I'm going to be too embarrassed to like back out, right? So that's step number 2. And then, okay, step number 3, I'll be getting all suited up and things like that. And then I can do that. I can get strapped in, you know, that's no problem. Getting on the plane, you know, I can do that. No big deal. Getting strapped up to who I'm going tandem with, I can do that. Although, like at that point, I'm going to be pretty scared because I'm going to want to make sure all those connections are like, you know, everything's tight and that we're for real connected and not going to fall apart midair or something. And then the final step, of course, is like just one step, but it's a step out the door.
All right, here's your exit.
At least I'm not like getting off on an exit with someone crying.
Yeah, but their sum is not divisible by 3, so I don't know.
Yes, but 6 divided by 2 is 3, right?
Yeah, but there's
So-
2 2s. It'd be 1.5.
Yeah, I know, but 2 3 times would be 6. That works. You know.
I don't know. I think you're reaching.
We are here.
Oh boy.
We aren't there yet. Look at this. West Plains skydiving. Ooh, there's a plane! Holy cow! Oh my gosh!
Now it's real.
Okay, I've just got to get out of the car. I have to be able to get out of the car. Oh, we're here!
I'm Kara. Nice to meet you. You are beautiful, Elsa. How are you? Hi, cuties.
It's obviously the first jump, right?
Yes. I'm so scared. Did you catch that one?
No.
He says, what I want you to do, if you do separate from me as you fall, you need to take off your shoes and put them down your shirt. It's not going to help you any, but it'll take your mind off of what's going on and it'll confuse the coroner. I'm going to come back down and give you a really big hug, okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Get ice cream.
All right, let's get all the kiddos.
We'll see.
Here's my ride. All right, jump on in. Dude! When's Indiana Jones gonna show up? I don't know.
I got pushed, you know. So it's not that bad. Do not call ahead and tell them to sabotage my parachute or anything.
Oh my God. Well, you give me an idea. I didn't